All right, so let me walk you through what a formula would be. So if I say let, okay, first of all, here's the thing. When we declare a variable, like let's say I'm saying let base, let height, and let area. Okay, let's say I just do that. Right now, if I hover over these are any. So VS Code will tell you what the type is, the data type for what the variable is. So right now it's any. Well, here's the problem with any. Watch this. So let's say I have let area, and then I say base times height times 1/2, which this is how you do 1/2. 1 divided by 2. Okay? All right. And now I'm going to say, okay, well, base is now going to equal 3. And height is going to equal 4. And then let's say I have document.write or console.log. I'm just going to do document.write. It's way easier to me. Doesn't matter either way. Now I have area, right? So what's going to happen? Is anything going to happen? Nan. What the heck is nan? So nan is actually a data type. It's its own data type. It's actually means not a number, even though strangely enough, JavaScript treats it like a number. So anyways, that's just extra information. So nan means not a number. So if I come up with this error, then I have to say, well, why on earth is it not a number? And that's because when I go up here, it still says that height is any and base is any. So if I want, like let's say I know that, I'm starting out this function. I don't actually care what the value of the base and the height is. So let's just put in a number. When I declare the variables, I need to declare them as numbers because then guess what? They are declared as numbers. So then guess what? Area is a number and base is a number and height is a number. And now I can actually say, okay, base is 3, height is 4. And watch what happens. Save this, refresh that. Boom, 0.5. And that makes sense. That's these up here. Okay. So now what we were hoping for, we're like, wait. But you just defined it as 3 and 4. Right now, all it's done is said base is 1 times 1 divided by 1/2 is 1/2, right? So why is it not understanding that I'm trying to change this and I want this? Well, it has to do with the order in which the interpreter interprets things. Okay, so let me take this up there and now change it. Okay, and I have to change it up there, which is super annoying, right? So I still have my formula down here, but I have to change it up here. And I really want to show you this, the annoyingness of this, because it leads us to why functions are so important. So I refreshed it. It's 6. Great. 3 times 4 is 12 divided by times 1/2 is 6. Makes sense. Great. But I can't, I have to keep doing that up here. Reassign it. Okay. So now I know I have an area. That's my document.write. What if, I'll get to the formula thing in a minute because that's going to simplify this whole thing a ton, that I won't have to keep on declaring variables up here. What if now I had, what if I had a string, right? So, let message equal, and let's do this, the area of a triangle of this triangle is space. I'm going to put a space there, plus, and I'm going to actually put area. I'm going to add another, because I want to do like a whole string concatenation. And that's what this is. Now I'm concatenating. So I was using operators to do math, and now I'm concatenating. So I'm like mixing it up. I'm putting strings together and numbers together, and it's going to make this nice sentence. So now it's let message, the area of the triangle is plus area, plus, plus is just put them together, concatenate. And then, let's see, so the area of this triangle is 6 squared, right? Or, yeah, 6 something squared, right? I'm going to say this is feet, okay? Feet squared. Sorry, I had a brain fart there. All right, so now what happens? So I should. Do you think I'm going to get a message? I really hope I do, because otherwise, you know. Okay, let's just put message in here instead. Okay, and notice this. It says let message string. And that makes sense. Because if I put, since I know that the data type of area is a number, but if I'm concatenating a string and a number and another string, it's going to basically turn that number into a string. So let's see what happens. Let's hope that, I actually did something right. Oh my goodness, it's right. And you can look at this and you'll be like, well, wait a second, that looks horrible, right? So you could go in and you can add extra spacing. Now, you can't do the space here, right, in the number, but you could definitely do it over there. I'm going to save that, refresh. Aha, the area of this triangle is 6 feet squared. Wonderful. That's awesome. Okay, so that is what the assignment is for the conversion. The big thing that I really want you guys to do is to use variables within your variable expression. Okay? Thank you so much.